Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today's video I am going to show you exactly how to create a children's history book using AI, from the history idea to illustration to publishing it on Amazon KDP. Whether you are an aspiring author, illustrator or entrepreneur, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. So let's go, and I will break down step by step throughout the video using free and paid AI tools. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, generate the history using AI. This is the first step. So here we will take help from ChatGPT. The first step is to create your history. So here head over to ChatGPT or another AI writing tool like Deeply Create, Notion AI or Cloud. You can use it. So I'm going to use it ChatGPT, and let's search for chatgpt.com and let's search it. And here we are going to ask a thing that will be write a 500 word children story about curious bunny who explores the forest and learns about friendship. Make it fun, educational, and age appropriate. For 5 to 7 years old. Let's search it, and it will take a while. Like the AI will generate you story instantly. You can refine the tone, adjust for the age group, ask it to break the history into pages or scene. So here you will get options beneath the curious, and you can see this is the history, and I will definitely ask ChatGPT that break the history into pages and scene. So it will help me to organize it properly. So let's search it. So we need to wait a while again. So here you can see title, the illustration will be this, and page 1 is Benny Curiosity, and this is illustration. So this way you will become so much easy for the work. So once you're done, I am going to give you a tip for this section that will be make sure the history has a clear beginning and middle and the end, and includes a moral or lesson. So it will feel you engaging, like when a reader reading this book, she will or he will find themselves curious about to know more about this history. So once it's done, then we will shift to the next step, and that is create illustration with AI. So let's bring your history in the real life visual. As you can see in the first, this is our cover page, and the title will be Benny the Curious Bunny, and illustration will be Benny picking out from his burrow as well, and we will take help of Canva. So here I'm going to, as you can see, they already tell us this will be the illustration. So I'm going to copy this whole text, and then I will come back to this plan, and here I'll make a custom size for my design. So come back your design, just click on home, and I will make sure the size will be 8.5, and height will be, it will be in inches, and then 8.5. Let's move it, and 0.5, and let's create new design, and Canva will create the design for us. Then here I am going to choose this magic media, because I use Canva because of that reason. It is free and also beginner friendly. That for reason I choose this one, and here I select a layout design. For example, that is 8.5 inches into 8.5 inches, and now I'm going to enter the word in here, and then I will choose the style. Style will be filmic, or you can choose anime, and then you can choose square, and just click on this generate image, and it will take a while to generate it. Once it's done, then you can easily upload or drag and drop in here. So we need to wait a while to get done. So here you can see our design has been, like, our illustration has been completed. So I am going to choose one which will be perfect for our design. I think this may be a good choice, so I'm going to copy this one, and then I will download it for my book. So here I'm going to download it, and I will make it JPG, and differently I will increase the quality. Just download it. Once I download it, now our work started. So the book size, you need to find out the book size. So here I'm going to click on home, and then I will click on KDP book size. So here let's see what will be the perfect size for our design, or I can choose a random size from that place. So let's click on custom size, and I'm going to give width will be 12 and height, I can say width will be 8 and height will be 12 inch, and then create a new design. Once it's done, then here you can see our design has been come. So I'm going to change the color. The color will be this, not this. This is become so much. I'm going to choose this one. I think this may be a good. So now I am going to upload text over here. So here let's go to the Canva, and this is our text. Once upon a time, a cozy. So here I'll paste it here, and then choose a font. I think this one will be not, like, I'm finding something that is readable, like kids can read it easily. So let's find one of them. I think this one perfect. So we will increase the size of the text. Yes, you can see, and I will reduce the line spacing. Here you can see this is our line spacing, and I will place it perfectly. And now I am going to upload our image. So I'm going to click on then upload files, and here I'm going to upload it, and here you can see our image has been uploaded. And I will reduce the size to make it proper, and I will do something that is corner rounding, and here you can see it become round, and I will reduce the size. This way I can reduce the size further more, and I can place it here. And now I'm going to copy this next line, and similarly I'm going to place it again. Just copy this text, and in front of this, instead of this text, I'm going to place it here, and here I will save it. So now we can increase the design, as you can see, and we will place it here. Now as you can see, our storyline has been completed, and it's look amazing. You can improve the design if you need it, like you can add some elements from these element options, then find out your kind of element which will be looking really good, and then you can place it whatever place or whenever place you want. You have the options to add it and reduce the size, and similarly place it here. It's totally up to you how you want to design it, so you have the authority to do it. Once you've done, just click on share and just click on quality and change it to PDF standard, or you can select the PDF print. So I'm going to select it PDF. Once it's done, then click on download. Once you click download, then your book has been ready. We did not complete the design of the book result, and that's how you can create and sell a children story book using AI on Amazon KDP. Even if you are never written or illustrated a book before, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me what your story will be out. Thanks for watching.